Hello all, this is Dr. Suvarna, consultant pediatrician neonatologist at Rosewalk Hospital, Delhi. Today let's talk about noisy breathing, commonest complaint encountered these days during this change of season. So before we go any further, let's try to answer three very common questions all of us have. Is noisy breathing uncommon? Is it abnormal? Does every noisy breathing require doctor's attention? Is noisy breathing dangerous? I would say answer to all the three questions is yes. Every noisy breathing definitely is abnormal. So let me just give few examples of most common types of noisy breathings we encounter with our patients. The first one is snoring. It's a dry rumbling noise which occurs when the child breathes in, sometimes even when he or she breathes out. Most common cause of this is dry mucosa of the nostrils, or nostrils blocked by mucus plug, or simply just narrow nostrils of children. Remedy for this is just to use normal saline drops to get rid of mucus plugs and to keep the nasal mucosa moist. Yes, every snoring shouldn't be ignored because sometimes in older infants, snoring can be the reason for a condition called obstructive apnea, wherein the child stops breathing while lying down. So, this one needs to be attended emergency by a medical practitioner. The second kind of noise is stridor. It's a high-pitched noise which is heard while the baby is breathing in. Most common involvement is the larynx, that's the voice box. Many times it is associated with dipping of an area just above the sternum. So, many times this is because of soft laryngeal cartilages of the infants, but this needs to be shown to a medical practitioner as it could be because of a serious infection affecting the laryngeal cartilages. The third important type of noisy breathing is wheezing. It's a whistling noise which is heard very commonly when the baby or the infant breathes out. This indicates that there is an obstruction in the lower airways, the bronchi, which needs very urgent medical attention. Last but very important is grunting. It's a low-pitched noise that is heard when the child is trying to breathe out the air against a pressure. This indicates a generally unwell child and a problem seriously associated in the lungs or generalized condition called sepsis, severe infection in the baby. This condition needs urgent medical attention, shouldn't be ignored at home. I would like to give some tips to the parents of infants who are encountering this problem. First and most important is learn your baby's normal breathing pattern so that you understand what is abnormal or atypical for your baby. Second, do not use any over-the-counter medications, do not use any home remedies, do not use any herbal preparations without any medical practitioner's advice. Third, just take the child to the nearest emergency medical care facility when you encounter any abnormal breathing in your child. Last but not the least, the child has to always be laid to sleep on the back, never on face, never on the tummy. This is the most important cause of sudden infant death syndrome. So let's all take these important small little points so that all the kids are out of danger.